Hi friends, welcome back. In this video, I'll be discussing about can the manual testing be replaced by automation testing? Is it possible? Can we completely eliminate manual testing and can we operate everything using automation testing or not? That is the topic of this video. So I will be providing various reasons. Can we really replace the manual testing, or do we see any challenges if we replace the manual testing? Before we go further in detail about this video, if you guys are not subscribed to Testing Shala YouTube channel, then please click on subscribe and bell icon so that all our future videos will be in your inbox. So let us understand, can we really replace our manual testers with automation testers or manual testing with the automation testing? The answer from me is definitely we cannot completely replace our manual testing with the automation testing with various reasons which I can quote here. Based on my experience and because of some of the below reasons, definitely we cannot completely replace your manual testers with the automation testers. Because the first reason here is any testing we start using by writing the test cases. That is the first thing we do. That too, we will be having a thorough understanding of the given requirements or user stories. Then only we will be writing the test cases. This part definitely we cannot completely replace by automation. This has to be done by the tester. So whether the person is an automation tester or a manual tester, the job here is he has to understand the requirement, then he has to create the test cases as per the requirement. That is the first thing has to be done for starting any testing activities. The second thing is after writing the test cases, there are many review process also will be happen to ensure that whatever the test cases which we write in the beginning to validate the application based on the given user stories are a requirement for good quality that will go through various review process. It could be your senior test reviewer or a test lead reviewer or a product owner reviewer or a business analyst review set. It requires good amount of reviews will happen. Even during that review process, testers are required. Automation tools or automation really doesn't help in the review process. It has to be done using a manual testing person who can really understand the requirement and who can really understand the review comments to incorporate for the test cases. The third is once the test cases are signed off, once the manual test cases are signed off, then we will be executing these test cases manually. That is the first thing we will do. Because why we do here is we need to validate the test cases which we wrote is really a correct one or not, or can that test cases can find issues or not, whether the test cases really use all the flows to the application or is it 100% accurate or not. Everything needs to be tested manually in the first place. Once we confirm the test cases which we wrote, which is manual test cases, which is completely 100% accurate, then only we will be moving the test cases from manual bucket to automation bucket to get those automated using any of the automation tools. That is the third thing normally we do, replace with any automation way. Then the fourth thing is certain types of test cases definitely we cannot replace with the manual test cases, such as usability test cases, look and feel of the application, where human knowledge, human brain has to work to assess how the look and feel of the application really comes out and whether that application has the right look and feel or not, that can be validated only using human brains, but completely we cannot replace with the automation tools. That is why this is the fourth reasons why we cannot completely move away our manual testers here. Then the fifth one is, even after we bring a automation, even if we bring a automation there for every test scripts which we write manually, still we may have issues when we are executing those automation test scripts. It may happen that the test scripts are not updated. The automation test scripts are not updated as part of the recent changes in the requirements. Sometimes even automation test results gives the false positive results. That is also a major challenge these days. As the number of test scripts increases, as the number of test suits increases, then maintaining those test scripts also becomes a very huge task, and it may happen that everything needs to be validated by the manual people or a automation person in a manual way. That is also completely we cannot eradicate. We cannot completely replace some of the manual intervention in validating our test results, and also if there is any change in the requirement, then the manual test cases and associated automation test scripts also required to be changed. Then only your automation scripts will work, and also requires to be validated for false positive results. Then the sixth reason could be, automation testing normally can only do a repetitive efforts or a kind of a regressions. We cannot completely replace entire testing space just using automation test. Normally, automation test we normally use wherever there is a repetitive of work is there, where there is a lot of monotonous work is there, where that is the place where we bring test automation to reduce the manual intervention and reduce the monotonous repetitive effort or a boring job or a regression test executions. That is the only place we bring more efforts on test automation. The seventh important reason is, especially this reason is very crucial, especially if your requirements are related to analytical or creative in the requirements, then that kind of validation can be done only by the human beings, especially the functional requirements related to analytical aspects or creativity aspects. Then manual testers cannot be completely replaced using automated scripts. Here everything needs to be validated using our human brains. Then the eighth reason why we cannot replace manual testing completely by automation testing here is, there are certain issues we can only find using human mindset. There are certain issues or certain defects which we can only identify or only find using our human brains. Automation test cases or test scripts cannot find certain types of issues or defects such as emotional issues, or so there are many places which we cannot just ask our automation scripts to find issues, that it is not possible at all. Then the ninth is, for any kind of testing, any kind of results, manual testers should be there, or a kind of a tester who should be able to interact with the various stakeholders, including customers or any stakeholders in the project. That requires certain folks from the either manual testing side or a automation testing side who can understand the requirements, who can understand the issues, who can go and talk to any stakeholders or any customers on the progress of the testing. Here we cannot completely use our automation tools to provide all the information to the customers or the stakeholders. Here completely a manual tester dependency will be there. Then the 10th reason is, especially if your testing project is very small, if your testing project is very small, then definitely nobody will recommend to go for automation because lack of return of investment. Because if your projects run just for 2 months or 3 months, after that your project will get scrapped, then it will be completely depending on manual testing only, because we are not going to re-execute or we may not have many releases, then nobody asks for automation, then completely we will be depending on manual testing. And in this situation also we cannot replace manual testing with the automation testing. With these 10 major reasons which I just talked about, in future, any tester which they will be hiring, they may not hire just the pure manual tester. Pure manual testing roles will completely vanish in future, and more of a hybrid roles will get created in future. Any testing roles will be having both a mix of manual testing responsibilities and automation responsibilities will get bundled as a new testing roles in future. At least I hope you guys got a clear idea why we are saying we cannot completely replace manual testing with the automation testing. There are various reasons for it. I hope you guys got a clear understanding what are those reasons. If you guys really like this video, then please give a thumbs up to this video. If you guys are not subscribed to Testing Shala, then please click on subscribe and bell icon so that all our future videos will be in your inbox. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.